Environmental Science Part 1 for Standard 4. Activities number 3. Short answer questions 2. Question number 8. What are the uses of banyan tree to organisms? Provides shelter and home to many living things. Provide fresh air. Roots can prevent soil erosion. Complete the table. Fish live in water. Feed on small organisms in water. It provides dwelling place for organisms. Banyan tree makes the soil fertile, helps retain water in the soil. Lotus, it has got big leaves which float on water to provide more area for photosynthesis. Air contain various gases. Oxygen is used up by organisms during respiration and carbon dioxide is utilized in photosynthesis. Water snake feed on birds, fishes and other aquatic organisms. Rock, many organisms such as small plants, grass, etc. live on rocks. Light, all organisms depend on sunlight, which is the universal energy. Plants need sunlight to prepare food by photosynthesis. Tortoise, it can swim in water and crawl on land. Vines, plant whose stem requires support. It climbs by tendrils or twining or creeps along the ground or stem of such a plant. Soil, the upper layer of earth in which plants grow. It consists of a mixture of organic remains, clay and rock particles. Many organisms live in soil. Frog, amphibian, which lives on insects and small organisms including mosquito larvae. So frog is an important link in food chain in ecosystem. Question number 10. What does an ecosystem consist of? An ecosystem includes the mutually dependent biotic and abiotic factors of a particular place. Question number 11. List different ecosystems around us. Rock, river, pond, soil, forest, hills, bush and sacred groves. Question number 12. Which are the activities of human beings that can harm the ecosystem? Excessive use of pesticides, excessive use of fertilizers, drainage of chemicals from factories to water sources, waste disposal, burning of plastic waste, cutting of trees, that is called as deforestation, then mining activities, human activities leading to soil erosion. Question number 13. What are the activities we can do to protect and preserve the environment? Planting trees, that is called as afforestation. Second one, preventing disposal of waste. Protect water sources from drainage chemicals. Ban on plastic and prevent its burning. Avoid indiscriminate use of chemicals and pesticides in farmlands. Thank you.